Listing says tested, everything works, just needs an operating system. Well, for 35 bucks, I'm in. Yeah, but unfortunately, it sounds like it needs a little more than an operating system. Hi guys, and welcome to... Before repairing at all, I'm just gonna, do a little exploring, see what we got going on here. They get these systems loaded on pallets. I don't think they could test each and every one. Nevertheless, a simple fan fix, a cheap and easy 120mm fan mod, and our GT1030 is breezy cool. This little HP workstation is a cool find for cheap, especially with a wide range of CPUs that you can upgrade to, and you could even use a less expensive ECC DDR3 RAM in here if you wanted to. I hope you like to share, and if you have a similar computer, let's hear your story in the comments section. Thanks all.